look crazy, but hopefully it comes together.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're read about this title, y'all already know we are gonna do a makeup look and a creative one at that. So if you're new here, hey, my name is Destiny. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 1,500, y'all, and we are less than 400 away. But y'all, when I tell y'all, I gotta give y'all the background on this look first before we get into it, y'all. So my co-worker, I told her to find me something creative to do, and she found this look, and I was like, I'll do it for YouTube. I think it'll be so cute for YouTube, but not Instagram and TikTok. So we are doing it for YouTube once again. Y'all, this is gonna be so hard for me in a sense because the colors, and I've never really just played in makeup like this and created little tiny hearts like this. So we got to see how this is going to look, take, etc. So let's go ahead, get into this look, y'all. I know y'all wonder about the earpiece. I'm on the phone with my friend, so me and her just catching up, talking or whatever. So we are gonna get into this look, y'all, but I'm not gonna hold y'all. I am so nervous. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the brows, y'all. She has this full brow. I'm pretty sure this picture is like very old that she found, but her brows look amazing. So we got to make sure that our brows look good too. Now we got to make sure that they hold up how they supposed to. And I'm taking my Urban Decay brow gel. Y'all know I love this stuff. I think it's gonna be time for me to get a re-up on it. Oh, I definitely need to though, because I don't know if I can like live without her just yet. That's it for a moment. Going my milk makeup, y'all. This is the HydroGrip Primer. I'm out of this, y'all. I'm trying to use it on up because then I get some more, because if I have a little bit left, I'm not gonna get none because it lasted so long. But yeah, since this is a full glam, we're gonna do full glam, y'all. So I need to go in with my little trusty. We're gonna go in with the Morphe brow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown, chocolate mousse. That's what it is. And we're just gonna go in and fill in the brows. Go ahead and create that back in the day type look. So yeah, I've been deciding to like step out of my box and like do like the cute little Valentine's Day style makeup with the little hearts and stuff on my social media platforms. And I'm kind of getting into like the creative makeup type of deal. Like at first I was like, I can't do all of that. And then I tried and I'm like, I might have just opened up another bag for me to like use makeup instead of doing like the normal, you know, soft glam, full glam, the base routine stuff. I can do like colorful makeup, like, you know, just cut creases, try to do editorial makeup. I'm gonna try it, y'all. But y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Y'all think I'd be able to do that? Cause I ain't gonna hold you. I am a lefty. It's gonna be a little hard. Now we're gonna take that Morphe concealer, y'all, and carve out the bottom and the top. Yeah, this feels so wrong. So wrong. Because I haven't did this in so long. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to feel about this. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this out, y'all. We're gonna blend this all the way out to get all of this looking decent, because this feels so wrong to do now. Starting off a little bit shaky, because yeah, I tell you, I haven't done this in so long. It's literally been a long time. For now, we're gonna trust the process, y'all, but I think I got the brows kinda how I want them in a sense. So let's go in and go to the eyes. I'm gonna be taking my P. Louise base in a Rumor 5. I love it because it just grabs all the color, y'all, because y'all know as a dark skinned girl, it's kind of hard to get color on the skin. So we're gonna be taking our Beats by Dell's palette, y'all, the colorful one. I love this palette. Like, the colors is amazing. We're gonna take this purple right here and put it in the crease, and we're gonna build it up, y'all, so we can get that gradient effect look in a sense. Alright, we're gonna take this purple right here. We're gonna take that purple. Just have to create our crease because my eyelids are crazy. Like, I have like hooded eyes in a sense, but I have big eyelids. I don't know, y'all, it's crazy. But I got this pink from my Juvia's Place Berry palette, this one right here, to go ahead and like blend it out. This brush is a tad bit too big. That brush is too big. Okay, let's go for some a little bit smaller. Make sure we are precise with everything. The only problem I have, and I was like right up in here, like my blending I need to still work on my blending, y'all, but like this side, it looks good. This side I'm having some trouble, but it's okay. I'm gonna go in and cut the crease. I'm gonna use my same P. Louise base and 5 to cut this crease. We're gonna go back in with this purple to make sure that this part is reinforced and it's blended out. And then we're gonna take this pink that we used to blend out the crease in the center. Now for the middle part, we're gonna go in with, not the middle, I'm sorry, the inner corner part. We're gonna go in with this white base right here, just to like bring something, like brighten it up in a sense. We're gonna go in with our second primer to put up under the eye. This is the Porefessional Poreless Primer. Just a tiny little bit up under here. While they sit away, y'all, I think I'm gonna go in and try to do like the little hearts in the middle. So my thought is to like, I don't know, y'all, I don't know exactly what my thought is on this. My thought is to put my rumor based products where the hearts are gonna be and like cover it up with like some of these, y'all, because I don't know how to draw a heart for real. And then when I'm throwing my makeup, remove it to fill in the color. That's what I'm thinking. And I'm gonna place it where I want the heart at. Now we're gonna go in and lay the colors down. We look crazy, but hopefully I get this vision done, because yeah, I put stickers over, y'all, because like I said, my idea was to go over the rest, and when I pull, the heart is still there. So I hope it comes out good. I don't know. Foundation, y'all, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Easy Blur foundation. Not gonna put too much since some of my face is covered up. I love that foundation, y'all. It blends so good with my skin. I'm gonna go in and do my normal concealer, y'all, from Morphe once again. I don't see how this is gonna work. Oh my gosh. So like, do I go around? I guess I go like that. We're gonna let that sit, and then we're gonna go in with the contour, like right there. Do our nose contour. Now we're gonna blend all of this out. Yeah, when I tell you, I am really hoping this looks cute. I don't want it to be like an epic fail. I just really need it to turn out so cute. We're gonna go in with blush. I have 2 blushes I'm gonna use. Both of them is from e.l.f. Ooh, I'm gonna drop stuff from e.l.f. Camo Blush. Gonna go in with this one. I think this is coming in hot pink, and we're not gonna use a lot, y'all. Really just like that much, really nothing crazy, because we don't want it to be too bright, considering that the eyes are already bright. Then I'm going to use the other one. This is in Suave Mauve. It is a very toned down color. Put this on the outsides, on both sides, yeah. So kind of trying to do like an ombre effect ish. We're gonna do a brighter concealer. We're gonna use my MAC Hydrating Concealer. Spray the face with some Morphe Setting Mist. So what the base is looking like, y'all, I'm gonna go in and powder everything down. Then we're gonna come back and try to take the hearts off and see what happens. Base is on, so this is what we're looking like right now. So let's go ahead and finish up the eyes, y'all. So let me pull in the picture again, because girl, I forgot what it looked like, honestly. Okay, she went back up under the eyes with the same colors. I'm gonna go in and do the black eyeliner. This is from Sephora. We're gonna take the highlighter from Fenty. This is their pink highlighter, y'all. It's so cute. I might have put too much on and like put it up there, yeah, just to give the brow bone something. Okay, I went and added my lashes, y'all. Did some press and goes, and I put some bottom mascara on. So let's go ahead and take these off, y'all. This one's already coming off, so Okay, that's not terrible. Y'all, I'm excited. My theory literally worked. First impressions, this is not terrible. I can work with this. Like, I can work with this. Okay, so we're gonna go in and fill them in with the same powders, y'all. So we got so far. I'm kind of liking it. Some things needs to be touched up, honestly, but I'm scared because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, y'all, so I think the hearts part is done. They look so cute, so we're gonna stick with that. This one in the middle is messing up so bad. It's like a big little dot right there, but it is what it is. I don't even know how to even fix that. So I'm gonna go in and line my lips with MAC Chestnut, of course, and we're gonna just go in and use my NYX ButterGloss in the center without any lipstick. And all right, everyone, that is it for today's video. What we think of the makeup look? Does it look similar to hers at least? Because like I truly like really do like it. Like it's so cute. I really tried my hardest. Now I do wish I had like a little bit more like white base so the colors can really pop on my skin. Like I wish I had some neon colors. I don't have neon colors, but I wish that I did because I feel like this will look so good. But anyways, y'all let me know in the comments what you all think, if I did a good job. Rank it from like a 1 to 10. I feel like I did a solid 8. I feel like I did, but you know, some people have different opinions or whatever. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. But this is the look. Yes, I think this is so festive for Valentine's. It's so cute. That's why I did it on YouTube. So once again, y'all let me know in the comments what you all think, and I will be coming out with a new video Thursday. It's gonna be a full glam beat for Valentine's Day, since Valentine's Day is on. My lashes fell off. We back in action for a little bit because I'm pretty sure it's gonna fall again. But anyways, y'all, thank you all for watching this video. Once again, I will have a video coming out Thursday with a full glam beat for Valentine's Day because it's Friday. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching once again. And I really do like this look, y'all. Like, I really do like it. But anyways, y'all, I will see y'all Thursday with a new video.